Hi, I'm T. Cooper. I'm a makeup artist, hairstylist, and co-founder of beauty and grooming business, Metro Look. Today, I'm gonna talk to you about over-processing black hair with relaxers and how you can fix it. That happens very often with black hair. You put a relaxer on your hair and it really does over-process and damage it, especially if you don't care for it properly. If your hair is over-processed, there are a few things that you could do. One thing that I always love to do is when I see the damaged hair, especially like when it comes to split ends and breakage, you see how it's a little uneven there? I just like give it a little trim. Another thing you can do is you can actually cut all the damaged parts off and not just the end and pretty much start over from scratch. That's what I recommend doing, because when it comes to damaged hair, there's only but so much you can do to fix it. You can kind of fix it, but it's always better to start over with a head full of healthy hair. Another thing you can do is deep condition your hair and go to your salon and get protein treatments. When your hair is damaged, it's not all about conditioner. You need actual protein so that you can strengthen the hair. I'm T. Cooper, and thank you so much for watching.